Welcome back. All right, so we got 4 things here. We're gonna try and fingers crossed that these all came out good, because these were the other batch that I did with the machine. Okay, I was about to say this machine, I got everything suck on onto something. And it might have. Do I need to get a popsicle stick? Poor popsicle sticks, man. They had to go out like that. All right. Look more pink than red. That was weird. Okay, interesting. Ow. All right, okay. This looks crazy. This looks a little crazy, just a little bit. Did I not clean this off before I could have sworn I wiped these out before I did it. Ay. Okay, but this is gorgeous. OMG. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wipe this down. But this is giving. I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna have to wipe this down because I guess I didn't get all the spots where the old resin was sitting from that first mishap. But I can wipe those down. This though, I'm here for this. Here for this all the way. All right, my hand's sticky. Yep. Hands are sticky. This is rubbing alcohol, if y'all don't know, if you're wondering what I'm spraying on my hands. Oh, yes. Yes. You got like hints of silver in there with the white. Yes. And then I redid this one all together because I wasn't gonna fight with cleaning up that one. And I loved it so much. Yes. These are all fresh batches. Yes. Yes. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I am very pleased with all 4 of these. So we got 3 incense holders, a cigar rest, and a happy me. Yeah, so make sure you watch and subscribe to all things. Oh, this isn't as dark because I'm looking at it now. And this is why I say everything is created imperfectly perfect, but also, you see, I'm trying to achieve this green, but it's okay. It's okay. No 2 are ever the same. They're similar, but not exact. But I still love this one too. And this one is, I don't know if I can fix this. I'm gonna see if I can, but I don't know if I can. But I love them either way. But yeah, newbie over here. I just looked over and realized that that one was much darker, much more dense. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, check out the unboxings, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.